So if you have a dragon, a monkey, a sheep, or a horse in any of the pillars, maganda po na sumama kayo at mag-aral dyan po sa Reversal of Fortune na workshop ko po. In this workshop, it's not only understanding our chart or our reversal, but this is also applying mga solutions, no, and working on countering the reversal. We cannot actually counter that, no, but to put a stop on the reversal and to be able to jumpstart again. No? Paano mo ngayon manenegate? Kasi ang importante, it's not just the stopping of the reversal of fortune. Yung stopping kasi of reversal of fortune, para yung mga assets, mga yaman na na-build mo ng period 8, medyo makip mo. Ang importante, ngayon na wala ka ng luck, paano mo ngayon, o saan ka ngayon hihiram ng luck para makagawa ka pa rin ng wealth itong period 9. This one po is for the Reversal of Fortune workshop.